Problem 2 is asking us to evaluate the equation, the sum of x and 7 squared minus 2 times the difference of y and 5 squared equals 19. The first thing we're asked to do is name the conic section. Since we have an x squared term and a y squared term, we know this is not a parabola. And since we are subtracting the y squared term from the x squared term, we know that this is a horizontal hyperbola. It's also asking us what the center is. The center comes from HK. And so that would be -7, +5. It then asks us what the vertices are. And we know the vertices go H plus or minus A, K. And so we need to figure out what A is, which means that we need to put our equation into standard form. And standard form equals 1. So we're going to divide everything by 19. When I have that 2 over 19, I can just write that as a 9.5 in my denominator, and that's all going to equal 1. So that then tells me that my A squared is 19, and so if A squared equals 19, A equals the square root of 19. So we can just do H plus or minus the square root of 19K. And we already know H and K. H is -7 and K is 5. And those are our vertices. The next thing that it asks us to do is to graph this equation. So make our axes. We're going to go -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we know that the square root of 19 is about 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 4 to the right. And then we can also consider our asymptotes. Our rise, our b squared term, is 9.5, which makes b the square root of 9.5, so just very slightly bigger than 3. And so if I rise 3 and run my a value, rise my b value, run my a value, then I'll get my asymptotes, and then I can graph my hyperbola from there.